What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to learn about something called Google Lens because I've heard that there are many people who are still not using it. So I'm going to tell you what it is first, and then I'm going to tell you what it can do. Number one, Google Lens is a visual search engine. So what that means is that if you go to Google or any search engine, you're typing in words to try to figure out what you want to find, right? Well, Google Lens is not like that. Google Lens is a visual search engine, which means that if you have an actual photo of it, that will basically trigger a search for it. So on this particular screen, if you can see this right-hand corner, Google Lens is over here on the right, far right. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to give you an example of what's going to happen here. So you see the little viewfinder, right? And since we are a DIY channel, let's assume we don't know what this is. So I'm holding this out here, and I'm going to click the little search button. So I'm going to back this camera up a little bit. Here we go. Click the picture, hit search. And then it says it's a Craftsman 9.5 arc joint pliers, okay? And it actually, on the bottom, if you scroll down, you'll see like actual results where you can buy it. If I hit details, it'll tell you more about this particular thing, right? So this is really useful when you are dealing with tools and parts that you have no idea what they are. So I think it's really super useful for that. And I'm going to go back to Google Lens, and I'm going to show you something that you may not have seen before. Right under the viewfinder, you'll see translate, search, and homework. Now I know most of us are not doing homework anymore, but some of us might be engineers, whatever, that we have to deal with some sort of math problem. So I'm going to hit homework, and I'm going to show you how homework works. So let's say we have this one right here, example 4, applying factor theorem. And I'm going to hit the search button. You're going to see at the bottom, there's going to be two different things. You're going to see the AI overview. And then if you keep scrolling, the solution is correct, by the way. You keep scrolling, you're going to see videos that show you how to solve for that problem or other results. So this is the capability of the phone app, and now I'm going to show you how to use the desktop app. So all you're going to do is just go to google.com, and you can see that the Google Lens logo is right here on the right, search by image. I can click it, and I can drag a picture that I've taken, or I can paste an image link. That's one way you can use it. Let's say I am on a page that has foreign language that I don't understand, okay? I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner, click that, come down and hit search with Google Lens. Then it says select anything to search with Google Lens. So I'm going to click this corner and drag it right here, and it's going to tell me what that means. Let me just hit translate. There you go. There it is. Why Florida is a state so prone to being hit by hurricanes. Okay, so that is another use case. Let's say I've got a picture of a snake. I don't know what kind of snake it is. And there it is. I click that picture, and there's the logo again. And it tells me that it is a saw-scaled viper. Again, it's not always 100% correct. Let's say it told you that it was a snake that was not poisonous. That doesn't mean that you just go ahead and grab that snake. Here is another one, a plant, same thing. It doesn't say what kind of plant it is. Top right hand corner, Google Lens. Click and drag and let it go. Give it a minute. There it is. The coleus. That is same thing with a dog. So let's say I've got one of these dogs right here. I clicked a dog. I see a picture of a dog. I don't know what kind of dog it is. I'll hit Google Lens right over here. It does its magic. And it might be a golden retriever. So those are just a few use cases for Google Lens on a desktop. If you have any questions or comments, post it on down below.